Hey everyone, welcome to lesson 1.2. In this lesson, we're going to learn about numerical expressions and equalities. Are you ready? Let's jump in. As mentioned in lesson 1.1, 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 5 equals 2 plus 3 are mathematically the same. Although we did not define the equals symbol in lesson 1.1, it was easy to see that the equals came between the addition and the result. Before we can define what equals means, we first need to define what a numerical expression means. A numerical expression is either a single number or a combination of numbers and one or more mathematical operations. In this lesson, the only numerical expressions that we need to be familiar with are single numbers and single addition operations between two numbers. We are ready to define what it means for two numerical expressions to be equal. Two numerical expressions are equal, denoted by the equals symbol, if they represent the same quantity. For example, 2 apples and 3 apples together are the same quantity as 5 apples. And using math notation, we can write 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. Or simply 2 plus 3 equals 5. We can also see on the number line that 2 plus 3 equals 5. Similarly, combining 4 apples with 3 apples results in the same quantity as combining 5 apples with 2 apples. And using math notation, we can write 4 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples plus 2 apples. Or simply 4 plus 3 equals 5 plus 2. Again, we can see on the number line that 4 plus 3 equals 5 plus 2, since both sums result in the same number. In math, stating that two expressions are equal is known as an equality. Just as we can state that two numerical expressions are equal, we can also state that they are not equal. For example, since 2 plus 1 equals 5 is not true, we can simply write 2 plus 1 does not equal 5. That's it for now. In the next lesson, we'll cover the commutative property of addition. I'll see you in the next lesson.